Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get started with today's workout. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and let's move together. Raise both arms with the elbows bent at about 90 degrees. Gently rub your hands together while slowly swaying your hips from side to side. Keep your shoulders relaxed and move smoothly with your breathing. Stand steadily on one leg while extending the other leg slightly to the side. At the same time, raise one arm overhead and lower the other, creating a natural diagonal line. Then, smoothly switch sides from left to right. Keep your back straight, gently engage your core, focus on your balance, and perform each movement slowly, smoothly, and with control. Stand up straight. Extend both arms forward. Open your left arm in an arc and sweep it backward. At the same time, step your left foot back one step. Breathe steadily. Then slowly return your arm and foot to the start. Repeat on the right side. Reverse the movement. Swing your right arm back and step your right foot back. Stand up straight, step your right foot to the side, shift your weight onto your right foot, bend your right knee slightly, keep your back straight, circle both arms slowly in front of you, return to start, repeat on the left side, step left foot out, shift weight, bend left knee, circle arms, alternate sides for balance. Stand up straight, raise both arms overhead, interlace your fingers, stretch up high, hold for 2 breaths, lower your arms, lift one knee up, pull knee toward your chest with both hands, balance on one leg, hold for 2 breaths, lower your foot down, stand up straight, repeat on the other side, alternate sides for balance. Stand with your feet wide, bend your right knee, lean your body to the right, reach your right arm up and overhead. Keep your left arm out to the side with a slight bend. Hold for 2 breaths. Feel the stretch along your left side. Return to center. Switch sides. Bend your left knee. Lean left. Reach your left arm up. Extend your right arm out. Switch sides to stretch both sides evenly. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Extend both arms out to the sides at shoulder height to open your chest. Then bring your arms in while lifting one leg. Gently bend forward and hold your ankle to stretch your calf. Keep your body stable, maintain your balance, and perform the movement slowly and with control. Stand tall with your arms comfortably crossed in front of your chest. Step one foot out to the side and gently tap your toes on the floor, then bring your foot back to the starting position. Switch sides and continue alternating in a smooth, controlled motion. Keep your posture upright and use the movement to gently warm up your hips and ankles. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your hands gently closed in front of your chest, then open your elbows out to the sides at shoulder height. Bring them back in, and repeat the movement slowly and smoothly to warm up and gently stretch your shoulders, chest, and arms. Stand tall with your palms pressed together in front of your chest, and take a moment to breathe and center yourself. Then step one foot forward and gently bend down, placing one hand behind you while reaching the other arm upward. Twist through your torso and extend your body to create a gentle full body stretch. Move slowly and maintain your balance throughout. Stand tall and lift your left knee up to hip height while crossing your arms in front of your chest in a rhythmic motion. Keep your movements smooth and coordinated, gently engaging your core and slightly shifting your body to maintain balance. Alternate sides with each step to warm up the whole body, raise your heart rate, and improve arm and leg coordination. Shift your weight onto one leg while extending the other leg behind you with the heel lifted. Keep your hands gently closed in front of your chest as you twist your torso and hips to one side, then smoothly switch directions. Continue alternating in a controlled, rhythmic motion to engage your hips, legs, and core while improving balance and coordination. on one leg with a soft bend in the supporting knee. Lift the opposite leg with the knee bent at about a 90-degree angle, while reaching one arm straight overhead and letting the other arm move naturally with the rhythm. Gently bounce through the movement to engage your whole body, improve balance, coordination, and rhythm.